Hi, this time I'll walk you through the making of a 3D text using patterns. Detailed explanations have been omitted, and the pace is fairly fast, so I expect many parts may be difficult to understand. If that's the case, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a comment. Let's add a plane to project the mask onto. I'll subdivide the mesh. Duplicate a plane for the number of letters. I'll set up the masks for letter. I'm using images I prepared in advance. This was created in Adobe Illustrator, and the details are shown in the top left corner. I'll create the mask. I'm roughly sizing it based on the grid. Extract the mask. I'll extract all the letters using the same settings. Organize the scene. I'll hide the extracted letters for later use and set up the masks again. I'll add the pattern mask on top of the letter masks. Using the unmask, I'll add the pattern mask. Since it was a good opportunity, I tried out various patterns. I'll extract the mask again. I've adjusted the settings to keep the vertex count as low as possible. I'll organize the scene again. I'll unhide the original 3D text and start creating the letter frames. First, I'll clean up the mesh using Quad Remesher. I'll remesh all the letters. Using an on-tap, I'll create a mask for just the side areas. Perform extract and create frames. I tried using the gizmo, but it distorted the shape, so I'll deform the mesh directly. Display the pattern objects again and adjust their positions. Adjust the spacing between the letters. I've imported a background object I made in another file. I'll add lights and start adjusting the overall scene. Let's set up the post-process. Finally, I'll adjust the spotlights to complete the scene.